Welcome to Cashcraft HQ, your go-to channel for mastering Forex trading and achieving financial freedom. Rock it if you're ready to learn how to trade Forex in 2025. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into Forex trading for beginners, covering everything from how it works to the best strategies for success.
Let's get started.
What is Forex trading? Let's start with the basics. Forex, foreign exchange, trading is the process of buying and selling currencies to profit from price fluctuations. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume of over $7 trillion. Traders speculate on currency pairs like checkmark EUR, USD, Euro versus US dollar, checkmark GBP, USD, British pound versus US dollar, checkmark USD, JPY, US dollar versus Japanese yen. Unlike the stock market, Forex trading happens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and is influenced by factors like economic news, interest rates, and geopolitical events. How does Forex trading work? Forex trading is based on currency pairs, where you trade one currency against another. Here's how it works. Small diamond bid and ask price. The price at which traders buy, bid, and sell, ask, currencies. Small diamond pips and spreads. A pip is the smallest price movement in Forex. Spreads are the difference between bid and ask prices. Small diamond leverage and margin. Leverage allows traders to control larger positions with a smaller deposit, but it also increases risk. Small diamond long and short positions. You can buy, go long, if you expect a currency to rise, or sell, go short, if you expect it to drop. Understanding these basics is key to becoming a successful Forex trader. Best Forex trading strategies. To succeed in Forex trading, you need the right strategy. Here are the top Forex trading strategies in 2025. Small diamond scalping, ultra short-term trading where traders make small profits throughout the day. Small diamond day trading, entering and exiting trades within a single day. Small diamond swing trading, holding trades for days or weeks to capture bigger price movements. Small diamond position trading, long-term trading based on economic trends and fundamental analysis. Each strategy has its own advantages, so pick the one that matches your trading style and risk tolerance. How to start Forex trading in 2025 now. Let's go step by step on how to start Forex trading in 2025. Keycap 1. Choose a Forex broker. Select a reliable broker like Exness, IC Markets, or Rwanda. Keycap 2. Understand currency pairs. Learn the difference between major, minor, and exotic pairs. Keycap 3. Open a demo account. Practice trading with virtual money before investing real funds. Keycap 4. Analyze the market. Use fundamental analysis, news, economic data, and technical analysis, charts, indicators. Keycap 5. Set a trading plan. Define your entry, exit points, risk management rules, and profit targets. Keycap 6. Start trading with small investments. Never risk more than 2% of your capital per trade. Risk management and mistakes. To avoid Forex trading is risky, so proper risk management is essential. Checkmark. Use stop-loss orders. Protects your account from large losses. Checkmark. Don't over-leverage. High leverage can wipe out your account quickly. Checkmark. Stick to a trading plan. Avoid emotional trading. Checkmark. Follow market news. Stay updated on economic reports and interest rate decisions. Checkmark. Don't overtrade. Quality over quantity. By managing risk correctly, you can trade smarter and grow your account safely. Best Forex trading tools and resources. To trade Forex successfully, use these essential trading tools: bar graph charting and analysis tools, TradingView, MetaTrader 4/5, Think or Swim upward trend news and economic calendar, Forex Factory, Investing.com, Bloomberg downward trend risk management calculators, My FX book, Baby Pips lot size calculator. Having the right tools will help you make better trading decisions and maximize profits. That's a wrap on today's beginner's guide to Forex trading in 2025. Bullseye. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Cashcraft for more Forex trading insights. Let me know in the comments below, what's your Forex trading style? Scalping, swing trading, or day trading?